17.
Come on, Christy.
19. 20. 21.
Come on, Christy. Long strokes. Come on, Christy.
25. 26.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Christy.
The world champion.
Keep it up.
Station 4.
Keep it up, Christy.
Rainey's doing a great job on one.
Keep it up, Christy. Long strokes. Keep your speed.
She does.
Come on, Christy.
The back marker. Let's keep it going.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad.
The perfect pocket is a 4-hit hole, but it doesn't matter if it takes a
good
few
board,
more.
good
The
board.
key is to make it so you know you can stay on that board.
Come on, Dad. Get a good pocket. Come on, Matt.
Now you can see Matt's up there on the top board. His first board fell out, but that doesn't matter.
Come on, Dad.
He doesn't need that one anymore because the event finishes when he severs that block on top.
Come on, Dad.
You can see these guys.
Get up there.
Sure they cut good board holes. Arden went to put his in, that bounced out. He might have had a chip in the back of it. He's cleared it, and now
Come on, Dad.
to the work.
Lose your fear. Come on.
In front of his block already, but he may not have got 2/3 of the way through. He's going to have
Come on, Dad.
to do from the opposite
You
side.
got this.
Sully's up on the top board now.
Come on, Dad.
Back. The man with the environmentally safe G-oil.
Pick it up.
Doing a
Pick it up.
job getting the big chips out.
Lose your fear.
Down a little. Jamie
Lose your fear, Dad.
Who's it going to be? 1 or 2? Oh!
Lose your fear. Come on, Dad. Finish it strong. Come on, Dad. One more hit. Come on. Come on, Dad.
There goes Jamie, rolling the head off the top of that lob. There you can see Mike boring in, making all the work from the front side, and now the perfect slicing technique. One down low at the scarf, and then the slicing. One more will be gone. Okay, now remember, they've got to cut that pocket, get the chips cleared out, drive that board in there, climb up, and go through the same process again. Warwick and Jason up on that first board first.
Come on, Jason.
Adam's right behind him now. Now it's interesting listening to these guys pre-show talking about little adjustments they're going to make to help them do what they need to do to be able to compete the best.
Come on, Jason.
Warwick's up there and Jason's up there. Jason's got a firm piece of wood. He's going to have to swing big on that to get the chips cleared. Warwick's got a good strong board and a good bit of wood, and he's swinging beautifully. Adam's board is just a little weak, and he doesn't want to take the risk of it falling. So
Come on,
he's coming
Jason,
down
you got it.
to recut that pocket. A very smart move. Now Warwick's trying to keep his rhythm and just keep that axe moving in and out of the wood. He's gone into 3 to help the chips clear better. He'll keep it bored in so he gets 2/3 of the way through. Jason, on the other hand, has already got his front cut, and now he's using the slicing technique.
Come on, Jason.
Trying to get the, whoa, and there it goes. That's a very good time for Jason. Took a little longer on the board hole cutting, but he did a great job when he got up there. That'll be a quick time. We'll see how it matches up to the other competitors from the first heat, and of course, we have another heat coming up. Now,
come on, Scoot.
Come on, Scooter. Get a good pocket.
That's it. Make this one count.
Come on, Scooter.
That's it. Clean it up. Clean it up. It'll hold you. Scoop it. Go.
You got it, Scooter. Good pocket.
Go.
you can see young Scooter.
Now wail on it.
Come on, Scooter.
Dragging that up. X out.
Come on, you got it. You got it.
He's a good, solid build on this young man. Very strong.
That's it, Scooter.
Come on.
Swing. You can step back a little bit on the
Come on.
board. There you go.
That's it, Scooter.
Come on, get into it.
Back 2 inches and make made a world of difference to
Come
allow
on.
him to get on the end of that handle and swing big and strong into this log. And now the chips are flying.
Come on, Scoot.
Remember,
Come
they
on,
wanna
Scooter,
get
you
the
got it.
chips and
Come
get
on.
the
Middle
the
far.
log
Middle
so that
far.
they have just the least amount of work to do in the
Come
Come
back.
on, Scooter, you got it.
Switch hitting.
Middle far.
Billy's doing a great job. He's gone into 3 to help clear the chips quicker.
That's it. Come
You
on.
got it, Scooter.
Get out of it.
Come on, Scooter. Come on, Scooter.
Adrian's damaged his X there. Not a very good part of the tree to be putting a pocket in, unfortunately. So now he's going to reach.
Come on, Scooter.
Catch it off. Reach over. Reach.
Use your strength.
And they